Flirting, it's the lifeblood of romance. The spark before the flame, it's about expressing interest, creating chemistry, and having fun. It's not about manipulation or playing games, it's about letting your personality shine and connecting with someone on a playful level. Think of flirting as a way to brighten someone's day and make them feel good. When you approach flirting with genuine warmth and a playful spirit, you create a positive and attractive energy. Remember, confidence is key. When you believe in yourself, it shows, and that's incredibly attractive. So ditch the nerves, embrace the excitement, and let's dive into the art of flirting with confidence and charm. Starting a conversation can feel daunting, but it doesn't have to be. The key is to be approachable, genuine, and interested. Instead of overthinking it, try a simple hi or hello with a warm smile. A compliment is always a great icebreaker. Notice something you genuinely like and mention it. That's a cool watch. Or I love your energy. Are great examples. Don't be afraid to ask open-ended questions. What are you reading? Or what brings you here? Can spark engaging conversations. Remember, the goal is to find common ground and keep the conversation flowing naturally. Did you know that your body speaks volumes before you even utter a word? It's true. Your body language is a powerful tool in the art of flirting. Make eye contact and hold it for a beat longer than usual. It shows confidence and interest. Smile. It's contagious and instantly makes you more approachable. Uncross your arms and relax your posture. This signals openness and approachability. Subtle mirroring can create a subconscious connection. If they lean in, you lean in slightly too. Remember, body language is all about sending the right signals. Pay attention to theirs as well. It can tell you a lot about their level of interest. So you've broken the ice. Now let's keep that conversation flowing. The key is to be engaging, playful, and genuinely interested in what they have to say. Ask open-ended questions that encourage them to share more about themselves. Listen actively and show genuine interest in their responses. Share stories and anecdotes that relate to the conversation. Humor is your best friend. Don't be afraid to be playful and make them laugh. Remember, a good conversation is a two-way street. It's about finding a balance between sharing and listening and keeping the energy light and playful. Section 5. Flirting faux pas. Common mistakes to avoid. Even with the best intentions, flirting can sometimes go awry. Let's talk about some common mistakes to avoid. First and foremost, avoid being overly aggressive or pushy. Respect their boundaries and personal space. Don't monopolize the conversation. Remember, it's about give and take. Avoid controversial topics like politics or religion, especially in the early stages. Don't brag or boast. Humility is far more attractive than arrogance. And lastly, put your phone away. Give them your undivided attention. Section 6. Confidence boosters. Tips to unleash your inner charmer. Confidence is the most attractive quality you can possess. It radiates from within and draws people towards you like a magnet. When you exude confidence, you naturally become more engaging and approachable. It's about believing in yourself and your worth. This belief is the foundation of your confidence. When you trust in your abilities and value, others will too. Here are some tips to boost your confidence and unleash your inner charmer. Dress to impress. Your appearance can significantly impact how you feel about yourself. Choose outfits that make you feel powerful and comfortable. When you look good, you feel good. This simple act can elevate your mood and boost your self-esteem. Practice positive self-talk. The words you say to yourself matter. Silence that inner critic and replace it with affirmations. Remind yourself of your strengths and capabilities. Remember your past successes. Reflecting on your achievements can provide a confidence boost. We all have accomplishments that we can draw confidence from. Focus on your strengths. Identify what you excel at and leverage those skills in social situations. Everyone has unique qualities that make them special. Embrace your individuality and let it shine. Don't compare yourself to others. Instead, celebrate what makes you, you. Don't be afraid to put yourself out there. Take the initiative to introduce yourself and engage in conversations. The more you practice, the more natural it will feel. The more you practice, the more confident you'll become. Repetition builds familiarity and reduces anxiety. Whether it's public speaking or social interactions, practice makes perfect. Remember, confidence is a journey, not a destination. It's a continuous process of growth and self-discovery. Embrace the ups and downs along the way. Embrace the process and celebrate your progress along the way. Every step forward, no matter how small, is a victory. Surround yourself with supportive people who uplift and encourage you. Keep a journal to track your journey. Writing down your thoughts and experiences can provide clarity and reinforce your growth. Reflect on your progress regularly. Engage in activities that bring you joy and fulfillment. Pursuing your passions can boost your confidence and provide a sense of purpose. Remember, confidence is built through positive experiences and self-affirmation. So stand tall, smile, and let your inner charmer shine through. You have the power to captivate and inspire those around you. Believe in yourself and the world will believe in you too. Section 7. The Art of Playful Teasing. A dash of spice. Playful teasing can add a spark of excitement and flirtation to your interactions. It's a way to show interest and create a memorable connection. It's about lighthearted banter and creating a fun, engaging dynamic. This kind of interaction can break the ice and make conversations more enjoyable. The key is to keep it light and playful. The goal is to make the other person smile and feel good, not to hurt their feelings. Avoid anything that could be perceived as mean-spirited or hurtful. It's important to be mindful of the other person's boundaries and comfort levels. A gentle tease about their taste in music can be a great conversation starter. It shows that you're paying attention and can lead to a deeper discussion about shared interests. Or a playful challenge to a game of pool can be a fun way to flirt. Engaging in a friendly competition can create a sense of camaraderie and mutual enjoyment. Can be a fun way to flirt. It adds an element of playfulness and can help build a connection. Use humor and wit to keep the mood light. A well-timed joke or a clever comment can make the interaction more enjoyable and memorable. Pay attention to their reactions. It's important to be aware of how the other person is responding to your teasing. If they seem uncomfortable, back off immediately. Respect their feelings and adjust your approach accordingly. Remember, playful teasing should be enjoyable for both parties. It should enhance the interaction, not detract from it. When done right, it can create a fun, flirty connection. It can make your interactions more dynamic and memorable, leaving a lasting impression. So, next time you're in a social setting, don't be afraid to add a dash of spice with some playful teasing. It might just be the spark that ignites a new connection. Just remember to keep it light, fun, and always be mindful of the other person's feelings. Happy teasing. Reading the signs. Is your flirt game working? Flirting is a two-way street. It's important to pay attention to the other person's signals to see if your flirtation is being reciprocated. Are they making eye contact and smiling back? Do they seem engaged in the conversation? Are they mirroring your body language? Do they find excuses to touch you lightly? If the answer is yes to these questions, chances are they're feeling the spark too. However, if they seem disinterested, closed off, or are constantly checking their phone, it might be time to gracefully bow out. From flirt to date, transitioning smoothly. So you've mastered the art of flirting, the chemistry is undeniable, and you're ready to take it to the next level. Flirting is fun and exciting, but moving from playful banter to a real date can sometimes feel daunting. How do you transition from flirting to dating? This is a crucial step that can set the tone for your future relationship. The key is to make a clear and direct invitation. Ambiguity can lead to misunderstandings, so it's important to be straightforward. For example, saying, "I'm really enjoying talking to you. Would you be interested in grabbing coffee sometime?" is a simple and effective way to express your interest. Confidence is attractive, and being specific shows that you are genuinely interested. Instead of a vague, "let's hang out sometime," suggest a specific day and time. This not only shows that you are serious but also makes it easier for the other person to say yes. Planning ahead demonstrates thoughtfulness and consideration. Don't be afraid of rejection. It's a natural part of dating and shouldn't deter you from putting yourself out there. Not everyone is going to be a romantic match, and that's okay. It's important to remember that rejection is not a reflection of your worth. The right person will be excited to spend time with you. They will appreciate your effort and reciprocate your interest. When you find that person, the transition from flirting to dating will feel natural and effortless. Enjoy the process and cherish the moments you share together. Remember, dating is a journey, not a destination. Each experience teaches you something valuable, bringing you one step closer to finding the right match. So, take a deep breath, be yourself, and enjoy the adventure of getting to know someone new. The right person is out there, and the journey to find them is part of the excitement. Practice makes perfect. Embrace the journey. Mastering the art of flirting takes practice. Don't be discouraged if you don't see results overnight. Treat every interaction as an opportunity to learn and grow. The more you put yourself out there, the more comfortable and confident you'll become. Don't be afraid to step outside of your comfort zone. Remember, flirting should be fun. Embrace the journey and enjoy the process of connecting with others on a playful and romantic level. Go forth and flirt. Your love life awaits. Congratulations! You're now equipped with the tools and knowledge to unleash your inner flirt and create meaningful connections. Remember, confidence is key, authenticity is magnetic, and a little bit of playfulness goes a long way. So, go forth and flirt with confidence and charm. Embrace the excitement, enjoy the journey, and watch as your love life transforms. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and tricks on mastering the art of flirting.